started this company from 15, 20 years ago. My brother, take over from my dad.
And my father, he started the company for 45 years ago. He's 72 now, so he stopped working.
So when we took over from him, bought whole new machines and started to do the more automatic. This is where we are now, and we have completely changed the whole thing. %80 of what we're doing is with stainless steel, and then we have some plastic, a little bit plastic, and a little bit of cast iron and aluminium, also a little bit. But the main is stainless steel. We are only selling to companies here in Denmark, but they export to all over the world.
Yeah, we deliver to bigger companies, but we have some very fast machines, so we can compete with China and all the Eastern countries.
5 years ago, we have a challenge with the ERP system. So we have known Michael from Brandt ET for quite some years, and so it's a natural thing to us to go with him and with the SAP Business One. For us, the most important thing is to deliver a high quality of pieces to our customers. We don't want to go compromise with everything, and that's why we also have chosen the SAP Business One. Where we are now is very good. It's a successful company. We can manage it ourselves and has no help from the outside, so this is good.